This is the elevator here at Stardust Racers at Epic Universe.
Second floor.
Oh, this is a totally new KONE voice I have never heard before. Wow, the walls actually feel pretty solid for an EcoDisc.
First floor.
Sounds like a generic voice almost. I think we can take one more quick spin on this.
Second floor.
Nice leveling. Going down?
Yep.
Going down.
Button?
Yeah, I wasn't there sitting next to someone. It was like weird sitting next to someone. It wasn't even scary. I just don't like sitting next to other people.
First floor.
How'd you like the ride?
Love it.
It's amazing.
It is amazing. Have you done the Velociraptor yet?
Yes.
Is that worse in this or?
That's a hard one. I felt like the green side was about as punchy as Velocicoaster. The yellow side wasn't quite as punchy.
Okay.
But overall, I'd say I like Velocicoaster more. Just
But if you
simply
can handle
because-
this one, you can handle a Velocicoaster?
Yeah, you definitely can.
I'm voting for him.
Are you guys about to go to Island soon?
After we dinner, yeah.
Okay, well have fun.
Thank you, too, man.